Many of us associate exercise with discomfort and even pain. I'm here to tell you that it does not have to be that way. Exercise equals movement, right? And movement comes in a lot of different ways and forms. Movement can also be a wonderful stress reliever, something that most of us probably need. Let's take a look at 3 different options that we can do at home. Number 1, connecting with your inner child. Number 2, meditation in motion. Number 3, adjusting a regular exercise to your individual needs. For example, let's take a look at squat and lunge and reduce the range of motion for both of them. And if any of these options don't work for you, you can dance as well. Now, these are just few examples that you can do at home to release stress with no stress.